the nature of the offense that the accused person are being investigated.
Mucirithania wa igoti nene Justice Bahati agikinyaniria watho uyu augite mbere ya miena eri thikiririo igoti-ini maabitha a DCI matina ruthara wa gwikia ngono muhuri biacara na muteti Jimi Wanjigi. Wanjigi akuruhanitio na guteithiriria ayuthi a Gen Z na gutabania mirurungano ya gutetia thirikari kuria DCI maugite ngari imwe yake iraina mikebe ya tear gas na thimu cia maabitha a ugitiri undu uria Wanjigi thutha wa kwiyumiria areganite naguo akiuga indo icio irarehirwo ni maabitha aya.
You come and plant things in a car that is found at my gate. Please. Hizo vitu, fortunately, you know, technology. We have got a woman planting those things in that car on CCTV. You come and vandalize the CCTV here. You know, iko kitu inaitwa iCloud. It doesn't make any difference. Right? Please get with it. You seem like you are far behind technology hata nyinyi, you intelligence officers. All right? Please. You then come after taking an inventory in the night. You come again in the morning, muna plant vitu. Alafu you say take another inventory. You are here, you search the whole place, you found nothing. Then you now come to say 2 hours later, mumepata vitu zingine. Planting things, same script as 7 years ago.
Maabitha a DCI marakinyira mucii-ini kwa Wanjigi thutha wa kuhitukia ngari imwe yake iria irikanite gukorwo na indo icio nginya mucii gwake no arahota gwithara na thutha ucio gikundi kingi kia maabitha kirakinya gwake mathaa-ini ma thaa imwe cia utuku kuria marathukangirie niguo mahote kuingira ona gutabania uthuthuria.
7 years ago they looked for me in this house, they couldn't find me. Even now you look for me in this house, you will not find me. So please, musijaribu tena. You're wasting your time. Yeah? If you want me, it's a simple summons and I'll appear where you want me.
Family ya Wanjigi kugerera murio mwario na mutumia wake neheanite maria maratungirio.
They forcefully kicked down the door. My mom and I had our phones up. We were recording and we were telling them don't shoot us. We said don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot multiple times, and we were kicked and hit and fell on the ground, and they were just trying to look for our phones and take our phones away. We were just trying to protect our home. They didn't have a warrant, they didn't have anything. We refused, we said we're not opening the door. They forcefully gained access and they abused us.
They pushed me to the ground, beat me up, and then, as Willis said, put me in handcuffs. There's no reason to use excessive force when they're the ones with the guns. I'm unarmed. I'm just looking after my house.
They did not identify themselves, and we all thought that they would not break down the door because they had no orders. But little did we know that we were wrong. Yeah, it's like deja vu all over again. Wakiri Willis Otieno uria ratongoria mbutu ya mawakiri aria mararumanira na cira uyu augite ni meguthitanga thirikari ni undu wa kuingira kwa Wanjigi kuhahura family guthukangia indo gatagati ka maagi matari na warandi o yothe.
We've yet to receive a summons to appear. The summons will tell us which officer Mr. Wanjigi is supposed to appear before. What offense is being investigated. Aruna Wanjigi ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya Azimio matongoretio ni mutongoria wa Kenya Martha Karua maugite ni mahitia kuhuthira njira ta ici handu ha gwatha Wanjigi ekinyie mbere ya DCI. Raila Odinga onake ni ekinyire giikaro-ini giki indi Martha Karua ni aumire ria Raila ekinyirie.
They cannot come in and break without a court warrant. And Jimmy is not a fugitive. If they summoned him in the manner the lawyer is saying and in accordance with the law, he would definitely present himself at the police station.
Wanjigi augite we ni aranyita mbaru mito ya yuthi ya kwendekithia mwathanire mwega indi arauga president ndaramathikiria. Cira uyu ukagwetwo tariki 16 mweri-ini uyu handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.